To use Cash App Borrow, you must first have an active Cash App account and be at least 18 years old. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and navigating to the Banking tab. If you are eligible for Cash App Borrow, you will see the option to borrow money at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Borrow option and Cash App will display the amount you are eligible to borrow, which can range from $25 to $200. The amount you can borrow is based on your account history and other factors. Before borrowing, review the terms and conditions, including the interest rate and repayment terms. Cash App Borrow charges a 5% flat fee and a 1.25% interest rate per week after the initial 4 weeks. If you agree to the terms, tap the Borrow button and the funds will be deposited into your Cash App account. To repay the loan, go to the Cash App home screen and select the pending payment. You can repay the loan with a debit card or from your Cash App balance. It is essential to repay the loan on time to avoid additional interest charges. You can also set up automatic repayments to ensure you never miss a payment. Cash App Borrow is a convenient and quick way to access cash in emergency situations. But it is crucial to use it responsibly and only borrow what you can afford to repay. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions, you can use Cash App Borrow to cover unexpected expenses and manage your finances effectively.